So, hello guys. So, there is a very interesting exponential problem. So, here we have 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. So, we find such x. So, to solve an exponential problem, firstly, we there is a base 4 and here is a base 2. So, I make equal bases. So, here is 4. To make here base 2, I can write 4 as 2 square. So, I can write as 2 square raised to power x plus here is also 4 raised to power x, so I can write as 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x, and here we have 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. So to make a clear substitution, I use an exponential property, that is, if a raised to power m raised to power n, then it is equal to a raised to power n raised to power m, and which is again equal to a raised to power mn. So I can interchange here, there is 2 and here is x, so I can interchange these two values and we got 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power x raised to power 2, and here I got 2 raised to power x and equals to 1. So now we see 2 raised to power x, 2 raised to power x and 2 raised to power x, a quantity which is repeatedly comes in our equation. So to solve that equation, we put 2 raised to power x is equal to t. So I just put it to simplify. I get after putting, you will see our equation becomes a very simplified equation. So here we get t square, here also we get t square, and here we get t, which is equal to 1. So after putting this 2 raised to power x is equal to t, we see that our equation comes to a very simplified form. So t square plus t square comes to be 2t square plus t and minus 1. So it is a very simplified, that is a quadratic equation. So I can solve this quadratic equation by middle term splitting, that is, I can write t, split t as a 2t minus t minus 1 equals to 0. Here I can take 2t as common and I got t plus 1. Here I take minus 1 as a common and I got t plus 1 equals to 0. From this I can take common t plus 1 and t plus 1. So it can be written as t plus 1 and 2t minus 1 equals to 0. So here we got two real numbers, this first number and second number, whose product comes to be 0. So product of two real numbers comes out to be 0 if either first number is 0 or our second number 0, or both can be 0. So from this we can have t is equal to minus 1, or from this 2t comes out to be 1, and that I got t is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the values of t, but we need the value of x. So where is the relation between x and t? That is our substitution. We substitute 2 raised to power x is equal to t. So from that we can easily find the values of x. So first takes t is equal to minus 1. So 2 raised to power x comes out to be minus 1. So can you find a value of x such that 2 raised to power x comes out to be minus 1? No, because 2 raised to power x is output, its range always comes out to be greater than 0. So this is not possible. We have take the second case, that is t is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 raised to power x comes out to be 1 by 2, and 2 matches their bases. I can write 2 as a 2 raised to power minus 1. From this we seen that their bases are same, so their powers must be same. So we got x is equal to minus 1 is our solution. So we can also verify our solution, that is our original equation is 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x and equal to 1. You can also verify this is our solution. Put here x is equal to minus 1. We got 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 combined give 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gives us 1, which is same as our right hand side of equation. So this is our